If you are a manager in a respected organization, chances are that you will need to present very often. And a successful manager is one that is able to communicate his ideas clearly through his presentation and the information he shows on the slides. Hi, I'm Tiantek, founder of S.P.Y and creator of the amazing sticky presentations. And I specialize in teaching a proven framework to enable individuals communicate with confidence, gain respect, and pursue new opportunities. How do your presentation slide looks like? This, or this? How you show information on your presentation slides determine how clearly you can communicate your ideas. For someone moving up the corporate ladder, having clear information on slides when presenting is super important. No one wants to listen to a manager who doesn't know how to communicate and is always showing crappy slides. If your presentation slides looks like this, then you are doing it right. But if your presentation slides looks like this or this, then you need to be worried. This could be the reason why you are not getting that promotion, not closing the sale, or not moving anywhere in your organization. What if there is an easy way to learn to design slides that will enable you to communicate clearly, visually, verbally, directly, using the proven S.P.Y approach to create amazing presentation slides? What if your new slides can help you present better, are easier to understand, saving you time and giving you better results? What if you can present with slides that makes you stand out from the crowd, gain you respect and get you noticed, allowing you to pursue new opportunities or leading you to the promotion that you deserve? Take action now. Embark on the journey of amazing sticky presentation inspired by S.P.Y and join thousands who have benefited from this training program. Learn the proven S.P.Y concept and approach, plus the 5-step design planning framework to design amazing slides for your presentation. Design slides that are focused, exciting, and easy to understand. Build confidence when you present by ensuring that the right message is designed and crafted into every presentation slides. And get the results you always wanted. Take action now and click on the link below to enroll in this training program. I hope to see you in my class very soon. Bye-bye.